Hello and good morning and welcome to your Next Car UK official YouTube channel. I'm bringing today to you a video on a BMW 3 Series. I'll give you a quick walk around the outside of the vehicle and talk you through some of the tech specs and optional extras on this 335 diesel. Now then, with the optional extras on this model, this vehicle has a huge amount of optional extras and tech spec, so then we'll get going. Obviously, of course, it does include our Your Next Car Performance Pack, which we of course fit in-house here at Your Next Car, the home of the performance BMW. It does also include them beautiful xenon and angel eye headlamps, which you can see in operation there. Not only do they aid your vision at night time, they do also give a stunning look. Moving around to the side, we have the 19-inch M Sport alloys, which have been finished off in a nice stunning gloss black. This vehicle does benefit from the M Sport Plus pack, so you can see it does have the much larger brakes, front and rear. We do also have the gloss black mirror. Down the side we have the side bars, side finals, and of course the M Performance decals. One big major feature on this vehicle you will notice is that lovely electric sliding sunroof. Now, to get a 3 Series saloon with a sunroof is extremely rare and hard to find, so we've done very well to source this vehicle. It does also have privacy glass, as you can see there. Once again showing you off them lovely 19-inch gloss black M Sport alloys. And also the stunning M Sport Plus calipers. Moving around to the back, we of course have the performance rear boot spoiler, which is finished off in gloss black as well. We have the performance rear diffuser. Just underneath you will be able to see the little reversing camera, which I'll give you a little bit of a demonstration of when I jump inside the car in a minute. Another optional extra on this particular 3 Series. Now, if you've not seen any of the other 3 Series saloon videos that I've done on the channel, you might not know that the boot on the 3 Series saloon is more than spacious enough. However, this particular 3 Series does have another optional extra of the fact that the seats do fold as well. It does also benefit from the beautiful red leather. There we have them split folding seats, which once again is an extremely rare optional extra on a 3 Series saloon. Moving around onto the other side, the rear tail lights are of course the later LED tail lights too. We also have the puddle lights underneath the door handles. All the seats, door cards, and the general body condition is really great on this particular model. It has been very well cared for. Once again, reading through them optional extras, it does also include the beautiful Harman Kardon surround sound system. It does have power folding mirrors. Now then, we'll move on inside and we'll start the vehicle up. Another big feature is the head-up display you can see there, which does of course show you your speed. It will also show you your direction of travel if you do have a satellite navigation route set. As you can see, the odometer does read 53197. We do have heated seats, DAB radio, of course satellite navigation as I've just spoke about. It has the 8-speed sports gearbox, Bluetooth communications. It has varied multimedia inputs. This vehicle is live onto our website and it is priced at just $21,991 and it is ready to drive away today. We do have finance packages to suit on this vehicle if they are required. It is only eligible for HP due to the age of the vehicle. However, we do have great packages to suit everyone's needs, and we do work closely with Alfera, which is BMW's own finance company. So then guys, if you do require any further information, or you would like to leave a fully refundable £250 deposit on the vehicle, which will hold the car for up to 5 days, please do give us a call on 0115 822 9431. Alternatively, email inquiries or yournextcar@icloud.com, or for technical inquiries you can email myself, which is jamescornt, YNC, @icloud.com. Okay guys, that's it from me. Thank you. Goodbye.